How to import contacts to the stop list. To import the stop list, click on the contacts in the navigational menu. Click on the Stop List tab. Then click on the Add to Stop List button. Here you can select where to add stop list, to SMS or Viber. Select the loading method of importing contacts to the stop list. You can do it via clipboard or file. Make sure that all numbers in the clipboard are in international format. Before importing contacts via a file, make sure that it is created in one of the allowed formats: TXT, CSV, or XLS, XLSX. Click on the Uploader to import the stop list file. Select the file you need from the folder and press Upload button. When everything done, click on the Send button. Refresh the page to see the numbers you have uploaded to the stop list.